Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Forex Shinobi. So this is more like a continuation video on the step index strategy that I introduced 2 days ago on my channel. So if you watched the last video, you see this setup that played out where I introduced the psychology levels or psychological levels. So if I shrink the screen, you see these three blue lines are psychological levels. So if you are just watching this video, maybe you didn't watch the last two videos, I you should go back to the videos and watch so as to get the introduction parts on these psychology levels. So there's no much thing to say, just that I was able to take another trade. You can see that the market moved from psychological level to psychological level, from one psychology level to another. You can see the reaction immediately. Yeah, started going up. So whenever the market gets to a psychology level or a psychological level, it must react no matter how small. Then in order to get an edge in the market, you have to find the direction of the market or use the patterns that are introduced. This is the 30 minutes time frame, right? So you see how the market bounced from this other block, broke the psychological level, the 8,000 psychology level, and then retested. So in order to see this retest, you have to go down to, let's say, 10 minutes time frame. Let's go back to that place. Okay, you see this, it bounced from the other block, retested, and then went up. So the market must react at a psychology level or psychological level. Are you seeing this? Now, why did I enter this particular trade? I think I saw this move from the 15 minutes time frame. I think, let's see. Yeah, it was, I think, 15 or 10 minutes time frame. It gave me a clear break of structure, and then yeah, it's on the 10 minutes time frame. I saw this break of structure to the downside, right? See this, the market took out this low. So using the psychology level, I combined the psychology level with the other blocks. So knowing that the market has taken out this low, and then if the market closed below the psychology level or the psychological level, that means I'm only waiting for a retest. And you can see how the market retested this other block at the same time retested this psychological level. That was why I took the trade. You can see how it has been going to the downside, and then it has gotten to another psychological level now, and you can see it's reacting to it. So going back to this place, see how nicely it reacted from the line. In order to show you the other block, maybe if we go down to 3 minutes, okay, 5 minutes time frame. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, can you see this? Took out this low, broke the structure, tapped into this other block. You can see this green candle here. At the same time, it was touching the psychological level. Then I took the trade. You can as well see how the trade is going down, or how the trade was going down, kind of respecting this trend line to the downside. Now, how do you actually know, or what gives you an edge, or what do you see in order to at least see this kind of setup to be more valid? Like whenever you see the market approaching, or whenever you see the market that the market has gotten to a psychological level, what are the things you look out for? You look out for patterns, reversal patterns like the W or the M pattern. It mustn't be a perfect M or W pattern. Like you can see this reaction now, though the market doesn't really have to hit the line. Most times it does hit the line, sometimes it will break, it will give a false breakout. But once the market is around the psychological level, just expect a reversal. Then in order to confirm the reversal, look out for the patterns. So, but mind you, after plotting your psychological levels, also check out for the main direction of the market. So since I'm seeing this now, it's looking like a W pattern. Why don't I go down to, let's say, 3 minutes time frame and see if it's looking like it. You see, it's almost looking like a W, that though it's not a perfect W. Let's check 2 minutes time frame. Alright, I can actually call this a W pattern. If I don't want to focus on this leg, this first leg, I can actually use this as a triple bottom. And again, you can see that the market has taken out this high. That means we've had a break of structure already. So it might actually retrace to any other block here, or a breaker block, and then reverse. But I'm still expecting the market to get to the psychological level. So I'm just showing you what to look out for. You understand? So guys, the video is not going to be long. This is just to show you that it is possible to use the psychological level. It works well with step index. Stay tuned for the other videos that I promised on the other pairs. Like actually every pair has a psychological level. So I'm going to make a video on VIX 10, how you can use psychological level on VIX 10, even range break, on range break. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like the videos.